Our cutlery, the length of paddle shafts, we feast on icy platefuls of silence. Torsos tensioned like springs, energy uncoils, a mechanical shouldered rhythm of arm, arm, arm. The cold hand percussion of blade splash rolls like a snare drum over the tempo of wave slap and bass boom of glacier. Encased in the kayak, the view laps at our waists, kelp and brash ice drawn blanket-like around us. Penguins weave themselves through the waves, cruciform splashes fading back into lunging swell. Aloof orca glide like oil on water through distance thin and transparent as smoke. As we hack our blades through this splintered sea, kindling heat from ice, awe sparks, catches and burns.